In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to easily lock your SIM card on a Samsung device. Locking your SIM card adds an extra layer of security to prevent unauthorized access to your mobile network services. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Security and Privacy. Tap on it. After that, scroll down to the very bottom and tap Other Security Settings. Now you'll see an option called Setup SIM Card Lock. Go ahead and tap on it. All you have to do next is toggle on the switch next to the Lock SIM Card option. Then create a PIN for the SIM card and tap OK. This is exactly how you can lock your SIM card on a Samsung device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe Tech and Tech, our YouTube channel.